are the reasons for failure of retail businesses? One is accident and hazard. Due to the fact that many small-scale retailers don't have insurance for their businesses or large savings in the banks to back up their businesses, such might actually fail when accidents occur. Likewise, business hazards that occur due to probably climatic factors, environmental factors, and the likes of it. When such businesses experience hazards, such might fail as a result of that. Likewise, inadequate capital for the daily running of such retail business can also lead to the failure of a retail business. Now, let's talk about small-scale retailing and large-scale retailing. Small-scale retailing can be defined as a business that specializes in buying in small quantities and selling also in bits to consumers. Most West African countries most West African citizens work as small-scale retailers. And now for large-scale retailing, it experiences an higher turnover and profits. Such large-scale retailing, they centralize in buying, they buy in large quantities from the markets and they sell in bits also to consumers. What differentiates them is the fact that large-scale retailers buy in higher quantities than small-scale retailers. So now let's talk about the types of retail businesses. The first one here is unit shops. When we say unit shops, we're referring to those small shops that we find mostly in Nigeria, in our different societies, that are attached to homes. These small shops offer retail services to their consumers by selling in bits for their consumers. Such businesses also engage in credit facilities. Also, we talk about stores. Stores are immobile street markets that are temporal in nature. Such stores sell goods and services of different varieties and can actually move to other places after few months or few years. Then we'll talk about hawkers. Hawkers are those that we find mostly in our local areas in Nigeria as our country. Some move around with their foot, selling their wares. They advertise their goods with the use of their mouths. And also some of them move around in vehicles, some on bicycles. They have close relation with the final consumers. And then, what are the advantages of hawking? Hawkers bring goods close to the final consumers. They offer advisory services to consumers. And then they serve also as a link between wholesaler and final consumers. Then what are the disadvantages of hawking as a retail business? Hawkers are mostly under attack by kidnappers and the evil ones around. And then another disadvantage is such are open to risk. Also, hawking is energy sapping, and they are open to climatic hazards, environmental hazard, and the likes of it. In the next video, we'll continue the types of retail businesses that we have.